Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors here today to share with you the amazing SPC014 Lumberjack Pine. This one has some amazing character in it. I'm going to show you some close-up details of the character. Predominantly in the golden tones. It's got touches of red. The texture on here is really showing good because the lighting is just right from the doorway. This is out on our showroom, so I'm going to try to work with the lighting and give you some good detail here. This really does convey the look of reclaimed pine. To buy the real wood version of this, it's very expensive, but you do not have to spend that money. You're looking at $2.99 a square foot, 5-foot long planks, 7-inch wide. Has the EVA padding attached to the back. This really does look like salvaged pine lumber. Definitely got the knot details. It has the markings of wear and tear. That blackened accent really pulls out that detail. Here's an example of some samples you can get. Again, if you go right on our website at WeShipFloors.com, you put in the model number SPC014 and you can order samples. And here's some details about the product. It's real important to know. This is great for any place in the home. If you have questions, please reach out to us. We are here to help. The phone number is 844-356-6711. You could even send me an email message, Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Always ready to help you out and give you a broader look at this floor. It's on display in our showroom here. Just a gorgeous reclaimed pine. Definitely a hot seller for us. So go ahead and get on the website and take a look. We got tons of colors to choose from. And check out our other videos on our channel for more detailed designer videos like this one. Comment below and let me know if you'd like to see any of our colors compared to each other or would like for us to reach out to you. Thanks for watching.